Have you ever felt a nudge, a quiet whisper in your heart, urging you towards a life less ordinary? This is the call to reinvent yourself, to shed old skin and embrace the unknown. It's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to rewrite your story and become the architect of your destiny. Change can feel daunting, but it's in those moments of uncertainty that true growth occurs. Like a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, the process of reinvention is a testament to our inherent ability to evolve and reach new heights. It's about shedding limiting beliefs and stepping into a future bursting with possibilities. This isn't about running away from who you are. It's about becoming more of who you're meant to be. It's about aligning your actions with your deepest desires, your passions, and your authentic self. It's about reclaiming your power and designing a life that truly resonates with your soul. Why do we seek to disappear, to transform? Sometimes life throws curveballs, leaving us feeling lost and yearning for a fresh start. Perhaps you've outgrown old patterns, relationships, or career paths. Maybe you're seeking deeper meaning, a sense of purpose that transcends the mundane. The desire for change often stems from a longing for something more. It's about breaking free from societal expectations and embracing the freedom to define success on our own terms. It's about silencing the inner critic and embracing the voice within that whispers, "You are capable of more." Disappearing isn't about erasing your past, it's about creating space for something new to emerge. Transformation often begins with subtle shifts, small acts of courage that pave the way for profound change. Minimize your digital footprint to create distance from the noise of the online world. Limit your time on social media. Unsubscribe from uninspiring newsletters and mute distracting notifications. Examine your daily routines. Replace draining habits with nourishing activities. Start a gratitude journal, meditate, spend time in nature, or reconnect with a hobby. These small acts create space for reflection, tuning into your inner wisdom. You'll become more present, attuned to intuition, and receptive to transformation. Section 4. The Inner Odyssey. True transformation is an inside-out process. It's about delving into the depths of your being, confronting limiting beliefs, and unearthing the hidden treasures within. This is the Inner Odyssey, the journey of self-discovery that leads to profound and lasting change. Start by cultivating self-awareness. Reflect on your values, your passions, and your aspirations. What brings you joy? What makes you feel alive? Your answers to these questions hold the keys to unlocking your true potential. Embrace mindfulness as a tool for self-discovery. Pay attention to your thoughts, your emotions, and your physical sensations. Observe without judgment, allowing yourself to simply be present in each moment. As you become more attuned to your inner world, you'll gain valuable insights into your strengths, your weaknesses, and your deepest desires. Section 5. Sculpting your masterpiece. Self-reinvention is an ongoing process, a journey of continuous learning and growth. Like an artist sculpting a masterpiece, approach your personal transformation with intention and dedication. Set clear goals that inspire you, goals that align with your values and your vision for the future. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps. This will make the journey feel less daunting and more manageable. Celebrate your progress along the way, acknowledging your efforts and embracing the lessons learned from setbacks. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Cultivate new habits that support your growth. Read books that challenge your perspectives, listen to podcasts that inspire you, and surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, knowing that each obstacle you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. Section 6. Rise and shine. You have the power within you to transform, to reinvent yourself, and to create a life that fills you with joy and purpose. Embrace the unknown, lean into discomfort, and trust in the journey. The path to self-discovery may have its twists and turns, but it's in those moments of uncertainty that you'll find your greatest strength. Remember, transformation is not a destination, but a lifelong adventure. Embrace the ebbs and flows, the highs and lows, and the lessons learned along the way. Celebrate your progress, honor your journey, and never stop evolving into the best version of yourself. Now is the time to rise and shine, to embrace the blank canvas of your life and paint a masterpiece that reflects the beauty and brilliance within you. The world is waiting to witness your transformation.